Well, I just think we'd bring, yeah, like a tile or two maybe, you know, and yeah, so definitely that. Yeah.
So now Gray is scrambling it, and then he's going to solve it.
That's a thermostat wire. No, probably not. No, just, yeah, just the back. I mean, I would like to do
Yep,
it around
so
the
it's
corner.
fully
and I got
scrambled
20
now.
square feet of tile.
Okay,
And I think
on your
that's
marks.
11
Get.
Mom, looking at it.
by a
Oh,
foot
he
and
has
a
to look
half.
and
So,
assess.
you know, I don't, you know,
He has to
with cutting
assess.
waste, I'd hate to commit to that side. Otherwise, I have to buy a whole new box for another box at like $150 a box. You know, I couldn't just buy.
You ready?
tile.
Yep.
Okay.
So,
Go.
I thought, like, I want to divide by 30 square feet, and that's way too much, or 20 square feet, which is all hopefully too much, but you know, but maybe not enough for that side. Yeah, probably just the back. What do you think? Yeah. So that's another 4 square feet. If you measure the length of that countertop, I think it's 11, the length of it, by a foot and a half. So that's right there, 17 square feet.
Zoom in to get some of the
Probably,
hand action.
you know, with cutting, it'd be too short, you know? So, I mean, if I have a few left over, maybe we do it. I know it wouldn't follow the same cut pattern, but, you know.
Oh, one side.
In the end, nobody really notices that shit, you know? So. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Yeah, they need some cleaning up. Like, I was getting weird. Like, I was trying to dry polish some areas, you know, and you know how you get the, you know, the backer, you know, the polishing pad stuff, and then the slurry, you know, heats up and smears a little bit. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. You know, when it's all said and done. I just got sick of doing it. I was like, I need to get this tent down. I need to move on. You know, and I was, you know, muscles were aching. This kind of goes. So, hey Dusty, good job with the sink here, buddy. Anyway, yeah. I don't know. You're right. I hadn't actually thought of that. Seems like rose might look better than a brick pattern, don't you think? Yeah. What did we do on that? Or what have you done on the last couple houses? I mean.
Oh, another side. Sorry, I thought it was complete, but not.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Finished. Woohoo! Good job.
Yeah.